to my channel. Gotta get started. Gotta get started. Honest key. Whoever had this truck before me, man, is wild. But I appreciate this right here, but I don't have no dog though, but it's pretty cool. Man, if y'all haven't yet, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. I like to do my pre-trip and my pre-trip on my truck and trailer at the same time. I don't want to be trying to do a pre-trip just on my, truck, then have to do another pre-trip on my trailer. I like to knock both of them out at the same time, so it makes it just a little bit more better. But the number we looking for is 232. I always look at the last three numbers, so we're gonna look for 232. And yeah, no, I think we're getting pretty close. It look like my trailer. That one, right? Not this one. This one. Yeah, that one. 232. Yes, sir. Let's always check the date. That date. I don't know if y'all can be able to see it, but that date is good. Let's go. So I had a comment not too long ago saying you should always, get out and look before you get too close. But how I see it is, when you get like close, and if you know your truck and all of that, like if you're brand new, don't be doing it if you don't know your truck, or if you're not going slow enough. This is a slow paced thing, especially if you can hear like it pick it up as well. You should always know that it shouldn't go all the way too far, because sometimes your truck can be raised up too high where it won't hook up under it and you can smash your fairings, and yeah, that can happen. But because I can know I'm gonna go back slow and I know my truck, and boom, click, it happens. I'm in there, right? Man, for this one, man, make sure I hit that like button, subscribe, man. Because it was challenging, but it wasn't. Just call about taking your time, man. But we did it. We did it. Good morning, y'all, man. It's the next day. I'm all bad in, doors open. I'm good on both sides. Man, yesterday was crazy, bro. If y'all ain't followed me yet, follow me on TikTok too. I posted a little clip, doing a little clickbait. Clickbait is always good, getting you views, and it did like a lot more views than what I thought it was. And shoot, hey, I ain't tripping on the views. Just people commenting like weird stuff though, but people don't know how to take a joke sometimes. Yeah, we in there. We in there, man. Let's see. We in there. Yep, I made it to the second stop. This is dropping hooks. I'm gonna have to move that trailer right here in front of me. Hold on, the camera's not focusing at all. The trailer in front of me, put it out the way, and then I'm just gonna drop mine here. and then move theirs on the side of the building right here. There's a lot of space here, so should be no problem. Just gotta watch out for the cars, because there do be cars, because I'm gonna have to pull up in the intersection, you know, maybe if I have to. Who never knows, you know, gotta get, hey, use your space wisely. Back then, it's pretty cool. I say be a little careful though. It's like I'm a little crooked though, but get it. It's in there. That's all that matters. It's in there. Another successful day. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell, man. Hey, man, if you're a young person right now like me, man, I'm 22. I'm just trying to get it. I'm trying to grind, man. I'm a trucker, man, and I'm in this industry, man. Sometimes it's really hard, man. Like, I just had to put, like, one of my videos on private, like, because people can't take a joke, man. I feel like sometimes every day doesn't have to be too serious. Like, doesn't have to be all serious, but, I mean, the trucking game is a serious thing, but the matter of, it's not like I'm hurting anybody. I can do my job. I know how to bag in. Some days it is gonna be tougher than others. Most days it's just you having a bad day. Every day is not gonna be a good day. But other than that, I'm just gonna say, like, if you young, you're in this industry, don't give up. Don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing, man. At the end of the day, it's all in your mind. It's a mind game. So at the end of the day, you can do anything you can put your mind to. So don't let nobody put you down, tear you down, or tell you can't do something. Like, I have people tell me, turn my CDL in, man. I could do my job. Don't tell me how that I can't do my job. If you want to give some, you know, like, good advice, and go ahead and give me something that actually can build me up, then do that. But don't never try to tear nobody down at the end of the day. But that's the crazy part. When people see you coming up, they're going to try to tear you down. So don't let people tear you down, because I'm not going to let them tear me down at the end of the day. So, man, don't let people do that to you. Listen to me. Don't let people tear you down, man. I'm young. I'm still learning. At the end of the day, I'm not going to be the best trucker. I already know that. I'm not out here to be the best trucker. I'm just trying to be the best person I can be for myself. So at the end of the day, as long as I know I'm doing something right, and I know I'm bagging in right, or I'm pulling in right, watching my mirrors, making sure I watch out for others, being safe, doing pre-trips, doing post-trips, I know what I'm doing. So don't tell me how to do my job. Other than that, just keep it in the mind, like, you can help. If you're gonna be that trucker out there that's been driving longer than me, post some other stuff that's positive. Don't be trying to tear down these young people out here, man. Like, I'm young, I'm trying to get it. Don't do that. Like, that's crazy. But other than that, man, that I didn't even know this industry can get this rough out here, man. And I never knew that just because I drive for a company, I get criticized because I drive for Swift. Just because I drive for Swift don't make me a bad driver, man, at all. I got some good bags in me, man, like some real difficult good bags in there, and I know I'm still learning on some more difficult stuff, and I'm ready for them challenges to come. But other than that, man, I appreciate all the people that's supporting me, and I appreciate all the good comments and positivity. But other than that, man, I know the hate gonna come when you're on the rise. So at the end of the day, hey, I appreciate it. Let's keep on hating if that's how y'all feel, man. Hey, man, let's keep on trucking, man. Let's do it the right way. Made it this far to the end of the video, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, man. Also, to all my young truckers out there, don't give up. Keep going. Stay motivated, man. Other than that, man, more videos to come on the way. Other than that, man, let's keep on trucking, man. Let's do it the right way, man. Let's go.